Here is a quick tutorial on how to sign up as a volunteer. Visit our website and enter your email and password. You will receive a verification email. Make sure to click the link in the email. Once you've done that, you'll need to enter some simple information about yourself, like your name, gender, ethnicity, and a short introduction about yourself. Then enter some information about your role, company you work for, and your location. Once you've done this, you can select your areas of expertise. There are lots of options to choose. Lastly, submit your availability. You decide how much time you'd like to dedicate. Remember to subscribe to our newsletters to stay up to date. You have now created your account. On your dashboard, you'll be able to see all the requests that have been sent for you, as well as lots of resources you can use. Thank you for choosing to become a volunteer for us.